you're experiencing FPS drops in Rocket League, optimizing your settings and system can help improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to enhance your performance. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your graphics settings in Rocket League. Go to the Options menu, select Video Settings, and reduce the quality of textures, shadows, and effects. Set the resolution to a lower value if necessary. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Installing the latest drivers can significantly improve performance. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to the Control panel, select System, and then Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, choose Adjust for best performance to disable unnecessary visual effects. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Rocket League, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help maintain a stable FPS during gameplay. Step 5. Check hardware performance. Ensure your hardware is functioning optimally. Monitor your CPU and GPU temperatures to prevent overheating. If necessary, clean your hardware components and consider upgrading if they are outdated. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Rocket League. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.